So good day, I'm here to present the data that you had given to us. So I will answer it using the charts or the recommended charts of the Excel. So we will go first into number 1. So drag all the given data, click insert, click recommended charts. So a scatter chart. So Excel recommended that is used to compare at least two sets of values or pairs of data. Use it to show relationships between sets of values. Click OK. So the title is TV5. So in this side, it is the year. And in this side, we label it as the number of employees. So this is the answer for number 1. So next is number 2. So drag all the given data, click insert, click recommended charts. So click OK. Also, in your chart or recommended chart, if you want, you can label it using click plus, click access title. So here, so for example, so in the given data, it is the value. So we labeled it as value. So here it is the square footage. Square footage, and there is no title, so we will delete it. So now this is the correct answer. So next is number 3. So drag all the given data, click insert, click recommended chart. So a clustered column chart, it is used to compare values across a few categories. Use it when the order of categories is not important. Click OK. So we label this side as the country and this side is the per capita consumption. So Indonesia is the biggest per capita consumption in the country, which is 1.1, and India is the lowest, which is 0.3. So next is number 4. So drag all the given data, click insert, click recommended charts. So a cluster bar chart, it is used to compare values across a few categories. Use it when the chart shows duration or when the category text is long. So click OK. So the title would be shareholding pattern of Mphasis as June 30, 2009. So in this side, we labeled it as the percent of shareholding, and this side we labeled it as the type. So we can see in the recommended chart that FIS or FLLS has the highest, which is 36%, and the lowest is the mutual funds, banks, FI or insurance cost, which is 4%. So let's move to number 5. Drag all the given data, click insert, click recommended chart. So a line chart is used to display trends over time, years, months, and days, or categories when the order is important. Use it when there are many data points and the order is important. So click OK. So now we had the recommended chart. So this side is the title, which is production volume in metric tons of coconut with husk in Central Visayas 2005 to 2015. Source is 2015 Regional Social and Economic Trends of PSA 7 production volume. So in this side, so PS7 In this side, we will label it as the production volume, and this side is the year. So next is number 6. So drag all the given data, click insert, click recommended charts. So a clustered column chart. It is used to compare values across a few categories. Use it when the order of categories is not important. So click OK. So there are no title, and in this side, so now let's move to number 7. So drag all the given data, click insert, click recommended charts. So a clustered column chart. So it is used to compare values across a few categories. Use it when the order of categories is not important. So click OK. So the title would be Female Graduates in Tertiary Education in Central Visayas AY 2009 to 2010 to 2015 to 2016. Source 2015 Regional Social and Economical Trends of PSA 7. So in this side, so total is the color blue, and orange is the business administration and related. So we'll move to number 8. So drag all the given data, click insert, click recommended charts. So a clustered bar chart is it is used to compare values across a few categories. Use it when the chart shows duration or when the category text is long. So click OK. So the title would be World Consumption of Oil. So red is the world consumption of oil 2019. Orange is the world consumption of oil 2009, and blue is the world's consumption of oil 1989. So we will move into number 9. So drag all the given data, click insert, click recommended charts. So a clustered column chart. It is used to compare values across a few categories. Use it when the order of categories is not important. So click OK. So the chart title would be Female Graduates in Tertiary Education in Central Visayas AY 2009 to 2010, 2015 to 2016. Source 2015 Regional Social and Economical Trends of PSA 7. So next is, or the last number would be number 10. So drag all the given data, click insert, click recommended charts. So a clustered column chart is used to compare values across a few categories. Use it when the order of categories is not important. So click OK. So there is no chart title. So blue is the annual sales, orange is the profits, and this kind of line is the profit. So I am done answering the data that you had given to us, which is the 10 numbers. So to end this video, we must not forget that we can add or we can label our community chart. Just click the plus sign and the access titles and label it as the given data. So thank you.